When it comes to building a sturdy and reliable stair landing, the classic framed wall method stands out as one of the most popular and arguably the best choice. And here are a few reasons why. Number one, framed walls usually provide an excellent framework that can easily support the weight of the landing, people, and any furniture or other objects placed on it. This is especially important for landings that experience heavy traffic in commercial or industrial buildings. The walls also distribute the weight of the landing more evenly across the foundation, preventing structural load concentration and potential sagging or failure. Also, make sure that your walls are spaced correctly to provide adequate spans for the correct size joist, and make sure that you use the correct thickness of plywood according to the on-center spacing of the platform or landing joist. Another benefit to this method, if it works for your project, will be that they can easily be configured to accommodate various landing sizes and shapes, making them suitable for a wide range of staircase designs. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.